The science of getting rich. Key idea number 5. Using your talents will help you to grow and inspire others to do the same. Have you ever been really good at something that you also really like doing? If yes, you know what an incredible feeling it is, and you probably agree that every person should strive for such an experience. Finding the sweet spot where talent and enjoyment intersect will help you perform better, thereby helping you succeed. And what could be better than getting rich while doing what you love? To get started, develop your skills. For instance, if you have a desire to paint, you must first develop the ability and artistry necessary to succeed. But whichever field you choose, you must have faith in it to attain increase, meaning the kind of advancement that everybody strives for. This desire of increase pervades the universe. Every little thing seeks advancement and development. And by having faith in what you do, you'll give the impression of increase, which, in turn, will attract more genuine increase. Therefore, even if your job is something seemingly unimportant, like merely selling candy to children, you should have unwavering faith in its importance in creating increase, not just for you, but for everyone around you too. When you show this kind of faith, it will make people believe that by connecting with you, they too will achieve increase for themselves. This is why doctors and teachers, who are often filled with faith in the importance of their work, will never be without work, and this attracts more increase. Just follow the desire to do what you most love doing and know that you are advancing personally. If you can manage that, there is no end to the success you can enjoy. Thanks for joining us on the summary of this important book until the end. We truly hope you enjoyed this content. It would mean the world to us if you could hit the like and subscribe buttons on the way out. Until next time, we remain Business Brain USA.